Samsung is anticipated to unveil the Galaxy S25 in the early months of next year, with significant redesigns expected. Reports suggest that the phone may incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in certain regions, while opting for the Exynos 2500 in others. Although both processors are expected to offer substantial performance, rumors indicate that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could boast an exceptionally potent GPU. As per a report by credible source Digital Chat Station, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip boasts an incredibly robust GPU, promising enhanced graphics capabilities. Allegedly, this chip can handle running Genshin Impact at its native 1080p resolution. For context, Genshin Impact is renowned as one of the most graphically demanding smartphone games. Currently, the game typically operates at a default resolution of 720p, and even then, numerous phones find it challenging to sustain a 60 frame rate with graphics settings set to their maximum. Qualcomm has purportedly accelerated the development of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with a target launch date of October 1, 2024. This forthcoming flagship chip is rumored to be crafted using TSMC's 3nm process and to feature Qualcomm's proprietary CPU core named Orion. These CPU cores are already deployed in the Snapdragon X Elite chip designed for ARM Windows laptops. Given that Qualcomm has already demonstrated the performance of the Snapdragon X Elite, expectations are high for impressive performance from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 as well. However, concerns linger regarding its power efficiency. Some rumors suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 may not be as power efficient as its predecessors, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Xiaomi 14 is anticipated to be the pioneer device featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, potentially debuting around mid-October 2024. Additionally, certain variants of the Galaxy S25 are speculated to incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, with an expected announcement slated for early January 2025. Alongside the anticipated enhancements in design and performance, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 will introduce upgraded camera sensors. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.